I just take it off my resonator. I had already loosened that one up at home earlier and measured the inside diameter. Okay, that's that. I just picked up a little 2-inch test plug to fit down in there. And it just should slide right in, and then, yep, perfect. It's exactly what I was thinking it would be. Oh yeah, that's nice and tight. Perfect, awesome. We are good to go. Simple little $7 piece of thing versus a $30 plug from wherever. And I actually like it. It's red, and I planned on doing red or something like that for the piping when I do my turbos, so perfect.